is our front small little Nerf bar that bolts the existing brackets on your front bumper. It holds a 20-inch LED light bar. So like if you're driving out in the wilderness and it's real dark or whatever, you turn these babies on and boy, you can light up the sky. I mean, you can see anything with that. We also offer what we call, these are grab bars. These actually bolt to the back of the van inside. So it helps you can grab this bar and help you into the back of the van, especially if you have our 2-inch lift kit. Our 2-inch lift kit includes 2 lower control arms that are factory, but they've been modified through us. And you just replace your stock one with these. These are 2-inch lift blocks in the back, 2-inch spacer blocks for the front, new U-bolts. And what that does is that lifts the suspension up 2 inches. It gives you 2 inches of ground clearance and allows you to put a larger tire on there. It just makes the thing handle a lot better with a little better tire, a little stronger tire, a little more rubber on the ground. We've got other products coming out like a rear bumper with LED backup lights and with an internal hitch receiver, skid plates for the front to protect the vital organs of the motor and what have you. So a lot of people like to go camping or take their vans off-road a little bit, and you don't have to worry about damaging the undercarriage. So check us out. We have a website, transitoffroad.com, and see for yourself.